biker gloves, yo.
Very expensive Japanese brand. What's in a one shoe?
Scooter man then. Facios, yo. I'm out here with my boy Delta. He's ripping it up, as always. Other guys around, I had this huge sense of imposter syndrome, and sometimes it affects my performance, you know. I guess you could call it a kind of performance anxiety. Not in that sense, you know. I'm a freak in the sheets, yo.
I'm actually on a no alcohol for Lent thing. It's probably sacrilege actually, because we're in a church. But I've got a shandy. I know I'm going to get too fucked because then I can't land my vert tricks, which we'll film later. But I do love a good beer, and that is a good beer.
Good shandy. Go put hairs on your chest, that one.
Yeah.
Like, oh, look at that sick dropping. Oh! It makes a 180 look like he's sleeping. Sick, yo. BMX Facios don't know what they're doing. Yeah, I'm talking about you, fool. Yeah. Family. Delta, you alive?
I'm good.
The camera didn't pick that up, but wow, what a spin. In the house of God.
This is my church. It always has been. It always will be.